リンクスタート。
Hello everyone, welcome to my teaching video. Today I will show you how to teach English using Total Physical Response or TPR. Thank you for watching.
Hey, Billiard. I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come straight. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope it cash like, whoa. How you fucking with these hoes up?
I choose TPR because it is easy and fun for beginner students. In TPR, students listen to teacher and move their bodies. This makes learning simple and natural. Students do not need to speak first. They just listen and do the action. Later, when they feel ready, they can speak. In this video, I will teach some action words using the TPR method. Now, let me explain the material. Today, we will learn simple action verbs. Action verbs are words that show movement. We use the words a lot in the classroom. The action verbs for this lesson are stand up, sit down, clap, jump, walk, stop, and turn around. In TPR, we do not only say the words, we also show the action with our body. When students hear the word and see the action, they understand the meaning easily. They do not need translation. For example, when I say stand up and I stand up, students know what the words means. This helps them learn faster. TPR is good for beginner because students listen, watch, and move. It makes the lesson active and fun. Now, I will show you how to teach these action verbs step by step using TPR. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first I will show the action. Stand up. Sit down. Clap your hands. Jump. Turn around. Walk. Stop. Okay, good. Just watch and listen. Okay, now imagine you have students or use imaginary students like my brother. Okay? Now it is your turn. Listen to my command and do the action. Okay. First, sit down. Okay, stand up. Okay, clap your hands. Jump. Turn around. Okay, walk. Walk. And stop. Okay, like that. Okay, next. Now I will say the command faster. Ready? Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Turn around. Jump. Walk. Stop. And sit down. Okay, next. I will say the combined command. Okay, ready? Ready. Stand up, sit down, stand up. Okay. Next, sit down, stand up, and turn around. Okay. Last, walk, clap your hands, and sit down. Okay, that's okay. Next, now if students are ready, they can also give comments. You act like the student is speaking. You ready? Okay, give me your comments.
First is stand up, jump, clap your hands, and sit down.
Okay. Next.
Next, we must doing more faster. Okay. Stand up, sit down, clap your hands. Okay, that's all.
Next.
Next is we'll do it all of the combines. First is stand up, sit down, and stand up again.
Up. Down. And stand up.
Okay. Now jump, clap your hand, and turn around.
Jump. Clap your hands. And turn around.
Okay. Next step is walk, clap your hand, and sit down.
Walk. Clap your hands. And sit down. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Okay guys, thank you for watching my teaching video. Today I showed how to teach simple action by using the TPR method. TPR is easy, fun and very good for beginner students because they learn by studying and moving the bodies. Okay, this method helps students understanding English without feeling scared or stressed. They can learn naturally just by following the action. I hope this video helps you see how TPR can be used in a real classroom. Okay, thank you again for your time. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.